Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And we're all asking you this month the question, what are you doing after you graduate? Because a lot of people graduated last month. 上个月应该很多毕业生现在呢要往他人生的下一步前进了。怎么说毕业后要做什么？
毕业後要做乜嘅？
畢業後要做乜嘅？ All right, now I understand here in Taiwan, some guys, 男生呢还是要
當兵
服兵役，对不对？虽然好像快要慢慢消失了，但是现在还是要的啊。So a lot of guys, when they graduate, they actually have to serve the military here in Taiwan. So let's go this route this time. 要当兵 doing your military service. 当兵怎么说？
做兵。
做兵。
那海陆腔走病，
走病为什么一直感觉是一块饼呢？我肚子饿了。
那你就当它是饼，好把它吃啊。
I always think of food, even though that term means serving the military. It sounds like some sort of cake, but it's 走饼. All right, there are different branches, right? 好 so let's teach you how to say Army, Navy, and Air Force. 好，陆军。
陸軍。
陸軍 that's the Army. And then how about Navy, 海軍？
海軍。
海軍 that's Navy. And then the Air Force, 空軍。
空軍。
空軍 Okay, so 軍就是軍啊。軍 in general it just means military actually, but it depends which branch, the Army, Navy, or Air Force.
陸海空。
陸海空 Okay, and finally, when you're done with your service, you would say 我退伍了 right? How do you say getting discharged from the military? 退伍。
退伍。
退伍 OK, 我们就干脆用这个来造一句好了。
OK
就说我明年退伍 OK, I'm going to be discharged next year. How do you say that?
我明年退伍。
我明年退伍 All right, that means next year I am going to be discharged. All right, these are very practical terms for those who are going to be serving the military, so let's teach them to you one more time. 当兵 serving the military.
做兵。
做兵 and then you have the Army, Navy, and Air Force. 陆海空军。
陸軍、海軍、空軍。
陸軍、海軍、空軍 All right, those are the three branches. And finally, getting discharged. 退伍。
退伍。
退伍 And that's a lesson for those who are going to be serving the military after you graduate. What are you doing after you graduate? 畢業後要做什麼？
畢業後要做乜嘅？
畢業後要做乜嘅 And it's another edition of Practical Hakka on Icrt.
師母大家。
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.